Howdy guys, in today's video we're going to be looking at our first advanced feature for the auto nesting tool, and that will be the nesting direction. Also, this will be for FabriCAM software. But before that, let's have a quick intro first. So today's video can be found on softwaretraining.co.za. We make short and easy to watch problem solving videos. We also have daily updates. Otherwise, we head back into the actual tutorial. So with our projects open, we have our shapes here under our actual shapes toolbox. And as you can see here, we've got the quantity nesting. We have all of them. We have under nesting. So it's not manual, it's under nesting. And now what we can do is we go to nesting. I'm just going to preview this so we get an idea of what's busy happening here. Now, this can be a great way to, or you might want to adjust the setting depending on your layout of your actual sheet. So at the moment, we've got a horizontal layout, and then we also get a vertical layout, which is more upwards. So now let's say you're going to use your cutoff and you want to still use a lot of white space, you can say, or cutting space. Then you probably leave it on the current setting, which is in a vertical, it's cutting on a vertical direction. So now if we go here to configuration, which is, like I mentioned, our advanced settings, we, from our first option here, we've got nesting direction. So we have two options we can set from. We've got vertical and horizontal. So now the vertical is currently, so it's going from bottom to up. And then it will first stack the shapes on top of each other like this, and then it will start adding it next to it, trying to fit in as many as it can. Then next up we've got the horizontal, so I'm going to select this and then click OK here, and then let's try start again. And now we can see now all the shapes are on a horizontal plane, which is also can be very useful. Let's say you have to do some long cuts out of your existing plane, long shapes, then you want to do it in this type of manner, so that afterwards you still have enough cutting space to adjust that. But yeah, otherwise it's just a quick recap. So you can adjust it from a vertical or horizontal type layout, and that will be done under your configuration section. Then you just choose here, and then the little icons are quite handy to explain what's happening. But yeah, otherwise, in the meanwhile, if we head here to softwaretraining.co.za, you guys will notice we've got a variety of different softwares we do cover. And also you can isolate your search on the top right here, in case you don't want to manually go through all the thumbnails. And then if you do not, however, find the video that you're looking for, you just simply go here, request the training video, fill in the mini form, and then we'll do our best to try and make that for you. But otherwise, thanks guys for watching, and cheers.